How to get a flat stomach in a month at home. Many people want to lose their flabby bellies, but doing so usually requires a lot of time and energy that not many of us have. It's a good thing you can do things on your own and at your own pace to get the abs you never thought you could. The good news is that you can achieve a flat tummy in a month at home. There is no need for specialized equipment. You don't even have to go to the gym for hours. All you need is a mat and some self-control to do a few exercises every day. The workouts listed here were chosen expressly for their effectiveness in reducing belly fat without the use of specialized equipment. Do these exercises in succession every day for the full month, 6 days per week. Allow yourself a 1-day break once a week to allow your body to relax. Then begin again the next week and repeat the same activities. 1. Planks. Lie on your stomach on your mat. Then, using your forearms and toes, support yourself. Maintain a tight and upright posture like a plank. Make sure you're not sagging. Maintain this position for 30 seconds. Increase the duration by 10 seconds per week, until you're doing 40 seconds the second week, 50 seconds the third week, and a full minute the fourth. 2. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back on your mat, legs stretched out and hands touching your ears. Raise your right knee to your sternum. Lift your upper body up and twist so that your right knee and left elbow connect. Return to the starting position by lowering yourself. Repeat with the left knee and right elbow. To finish 15 sets, alternate between the two sides. Each week, increase the number of repetitions by 5. In the second week, you'll do 20, in the third week, 25, and in the fourth week, you'll do 30. 3. Leg raises. Lie on your back with your arms at your sides on your mat. Keep your legs together and slowly raise them off the floor at a 90-degree angle, hanging from the hips. Lower your legs slowly back down without contacting the floor. Hold that position for a second before re-raising your legs. 10 times, lower and raise your legs. Every week increase your repetitions by 2s each week until you're doing 12 the second week, 14 the third week, and 16 the fourth week. 4. Bird dogs. Hold yourself up on all fours on your mat. You should have your knees bent, and your arms extended below your shoulders. Stretch your right arm out in front of you and your left leg behind you. Both your right and left arms and legs should be parallel to the floor. Hold for 2 seconds before returning to the starting position. Repeat for the left arm and right leg. Repeat this movement for a total of 20 sets. Instead of increasing repetitions, increase position hold by 2 seconds per week. If you can hold for 2 seconds the first week, you should be able to hold for 4 seconds the second week, 6 seconds the third week, and 8 seconds the fourth week. It will be difficult to achieve a flat tummy in a month at home, but it is possible. All you have to do is adhere to this method to the best of your abilities. No swindling. If you ever feel disheartened, remember that it will all be worth it in the end. Combine this program with a healthy portion-controlled diet for the best results. You'll soon have the abs you've always desired without ever having to step foot in a gym. Thank you so much for watching this video. As always, I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.